pretty much what we want to do is to build tranquilization darts from materials that we can afford without any problems. So what we are going to do is to first of all build the needle, which we use a normal 18-gauge needle, the pink one, that we will have to first of all cut a hole just 1 centimeter from the tip of the needle with a file, a triangular file. If you go just like this, more. See, you have a hole here that you can use. This is where the substance will get out, but you also have to close the tip of the needle, and we are using the epoxy metal here. Just put it inside here a bit and then clean it off like this, and this will be the needle. You wait for this needle to get, the epoxy to get dry and stick to the interior of the needle, and then after 12 hours this is good to go. So I'll leave it. Next, what we are gonna do is to build the darts. The darts, what we use is the chamber of the darts, the double chamber darts. We use this 3 milliliter lure lock syringe, yes, lure lock, and what I like to use is also 2 milliliter syringe, the one that doesn't have the lure lock, so it's relatively different, because here we are gonna stick the needle, and here we are gonna stick the stabilizers. So we take the pistons out, we take this off of us, and then we are gonna cut the piston. It has to get from the base of it. Throw this out, and we're gonna put this one inside, and then push it back, and also cut these fingertips, finger press, this is called. Cut this off. We're gonna do the same with the other one, and then what I'm gonna use here is this rubber. I don't know what they are. They are rubber cylinders. I'm gonna put inside, and then what we're gonna do is to push them together, to stick them together, to melt them together, using this small piece of metal that gives me a little bit of direction. Push them a little bit, stick them for a couple of seconds, and then put in some water to get strong, and now we can test if they work. I'm gonna use one of my needles that I did the other days. This is should work. Let's see. So first of all, we push the piston back, put some in this case some water, but this is where the substance goes inside. Yeah. And then push our needle. We put a sleeve, the rubber sleeve. This rubber sleeve is going to be put on the hole that we have made before, and then we are going to push pressure on the other side to pressure, and now the system should work. We'll have pressure in this chamber. This rubber thingy is gonna block the pressure to get out from the other side, and once you depressurize it, while the sleeve gets back, the substance should get out. Let's see if it works. Okay, it works. Yeah, so this is it. This is your dart, tranquilization dart.